How to lie to your parents about where you're going. So, wait, I have to clean my room. Wait. Okay, so let's say I'm my mom. Kristen, what are your plans for the night? What are you gonna do? And you don't want to tell her where you're going because maybe she doesn't like those friends, or maybe, you know? Oh, Vic asked me to hang out tonight. She's gonna pick me up at 6. Okay, that's fine. I love Vic. Or if you're already out and your mom calls you asking where you are, don't decline her call. You're just gonna get more shit. You just have to be like, you have to answer, and you could literally be like, oh, I'm at the bus stop. Like, how's she gonna have proof?
I'm rocking it today.
What does a monkey make? What sound does a cat make?
Meow. Sorry.
What sound does a whale make?
Story time with India. So I was so tired that after doing 2 rounds of an ab circuit, I lay on my back listening to Sum 41 and then had a 5-minute nap. I was like, yo, I need some caffeine. Then I got up and had 2 bowls of Cocoa Pops, and I'm pretty much finished this Monster Ultra I opened about 2 seconds ago. So I'm gonna be off my tits later.
If you're gonna come in my comment section and call me a bitch, I just want you to know. You right.
5, 6, 7, 8.
I know we're not supposed to say that about women.
It's not. Wait. Wow! It's a good test. Come on. That was like a 5. TikTok's ending tomorrow. What? That doesn't make sense. Okay. Well, if TikTok is actually ending tomorrow, I just wanted to do one last burping with Mia for everyone. So here we go. Holy cow. Help. I'm on a roll tonight. It's the queso. Oh no, it's stuck. It's stuck really bad. Alright, last one. I'm running out of time.
Jacket. Many people wear it. No, it's...